Hi everyone. Today topic is crosspoint technology. Crosspoint technology. In previous class we are discussing about the process of crossbar switching configurations. Now we are discussing the working principles of crosspoint technology. Crosspoint technology. Here it is a diagram of locally non-blocking and externally blocking. It is a related diagrams of crosspoint technology, and this one is both blocking both local and external. First diagram is local non-blocking and externally blocking, and second one is both blocking of local and externals. That means the crosspoint technology is used a hardware of crossbar system. It consists of crosspoint switches like A, B, C, D, E, F. It consists of crossbar switch points. The cost of the system increases in direct proportional to the number of crosspoints in the system. The main aim of crosspoint technology is reduce the cost of the system. At the same time, it will be used several switches and transfer lines to share the information to the particular tracking lines. Hence, the reduction of size and cost of a crosspoint has been the major thrust of crosspoint technology development. That means the main use of crosspoint technology is the reduction of size, at the same time reduce cost. That means simply it is reduce cost and size. That is the main object of crosspoint technology. That is the main object of crosspoint technology. At present, two technologies for crosspoint designs are developed. They are mechanical and electronic. They are mechanical and electronic. It is the crosspoint technology. It is the crosspoint technology. It is mainly divided into designed into two major technologies, electromechanical and second one is electronic. Electromechanical is also again classified two types, reed relay, next one is mini switch. Again reed relay is classified electrically latched, magnetically latched. Latching means it will to form a group. Next, electronic crosspoint is also classified two types, bipolar crosspoint, field effect crosspoint. Bipolar is again classified two types, thyristor and transistor. Thyristor and transistor. Field effect is also classified fed to mass CMOS. Fed to mass CMOS. This is a crosspoint technology family. This is a crosspoint technology family. In crosspoint technology family, we are using several elements and several methods to convert the information in different forms and share or transfer the information to the particular track lines through the sender. Here FET means field effect transistor. Field effect transistor. MOS is abbreviates metallic oxide semiconductor devices. CMOS means complex metallic oxide semiconductors. So these are the family of crosspoint technology, and the main object of crosspoint technology reduce cost and reduce the size of the system. Here these are the track lines, magnetic contact or selection lines. Read relay crosspoint. Already electromechanical is classified read relay and mini switch. This is the read relay crosspoint. Here we are using both electric and magnetic contact coils to separate the tracks within the help of read relay crosspoint. Here these are also different track lines. Both are used for to share the information or connect the calls from subscribers. At the same time separate the transfer data lines. Already we are seeing, for example, A will calling from F, so AF will be latched. That means AF will be formed a group and it will propagate data information through the transverse lines. And second one is also, it is a non-blocking both local and external. That means there is no way to transfer the information particular track lines. That means in blocking conditions there is no information will propagates from one place to another place, but in non-block conditions the information will propagates from particular selected lines. Here electromechanical cross points are extensively used even today's. Extensively even used in even today's also. They are capable of switching, making, breaking contacts in 1 to 10 milliseconds time duration and several million times without wear or adjustment. By using electromechanical crosspoint, it will be used to form a switching lines or breaking lines, at the same time making lines, that means manufacturing lines, and also it will be transfer the data with the time of 1 to 10 milliseconds time duration with several millions of time without adjustments. That means continuously transfer the information from one place to another place without distortion. Mini switches are mechanically latched and generally use V notches for this purpose. So mini switches, these are the mini switches A, B, C, D, E, F, and transfer lines are the mini switches. All are to transfer the information within the span of 1 to 10 milliseconds of time and without adjustments or without distortion. Read relay switches were developed to eliminate the mechanical motion of bars in crossbar systems. Read relay switches were developed to eliminate the mechanical motion of bars in a crossbar system, thus increasing the operation life of the system. That means by using reed relay systems, it is a reed relay crossband system. The main working function of reed relay system, it will making, forming and breaking tracking lines, and it is also used to increasing the operating life of the system, increasing the operating life of the system. So that is the main object of reed relay crosspoint. Reed relay crosspoint means reed how many groups or how many latches are formed, it will find out, and it will form a track lines or transfer lines to share the information from one place to another place. At the same time, it will extended the life of the internal data systems. A reed relay may be latched electrically or mechanically. A reed relay latched or forming groups either electrically or mechanically. When electrically latched, the current is passed continuously through the coil as long as the switched connection is required. When a electrically latched, the current is passed continuously without delay. That means by using selection coils, it will passing or it will providing flow of current continuously without distortion. A crosspoint matrix is constructed by placing one reed relay at each crosspoint. So in this technologies, the crosspoint technologies are developed in the period of 1960s. In the period of 1960s, in the period of 1960s, with the help of private branch automatic exchange, it will abbreviates PABX, private branch automatic exchange. So by using different track lines or different magnetic coils or electrical coils or different crossbar switching methods, all are used to form a groups and share information particular selected track lines, at the same time reduce cost and size, and also providing flow of current continuously without distortion by using electrical coils. So this is the brief information of crosspoint technology. Thank you.